In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply a discount code on Shopify. Whether you're shopping from a Shopify store or testing a discount code as a store owner, the process is quick and easy. Start by visiting the Shopify store where you want to make a purchase. Browse through the products and add the items you want to buy to your cart. Once you've added your products, click on the cart icon and review your order. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding to checkout. Next, click Checkout to move to the payment page. During the checkout process, you'll see a field labeled discount code, promo code, or gift card or discount code depending on the store's setup. Enter your discount code exactly as provided. Be careful with spelling, numbers, and special characters, as discount codes are often case sensitive. After entering the code, click Apply. Shopify will instantly verify the code and update your order summary if the discount is valid. You'll see the discount amount deducted from your subtotal, shipping cost, or total order value, depending on how the promotion was configured by the store owner. Before completing your purchase, double check that the discount has been applied correctly. Then continue with your shipping information, payment details, and place your order. If you're a Shopify store owner creating discount codes, go to Discounts in your Shopify admin dashboard, click Create Discount, choose your discount type, configure the settings, and save the discount for customers to use. That's it! You've successfully applied a discount code on Shopify and saved money on your purchase. Thanks for watching.